Dame Maggie Smith is an iconic British actress known for her extraordinary talent and timeless beauty. Born in 1934, Smith has captivated audiences for decades with her versatile performances on stage and screen. Her elegant features, expressive eyes, and regal bearing have contributed to her enduring appeal. Smith's beauty goes beyond mere physical attributes, encompassing her grace, poise, and commanding screen presence. Throughout her career, she has aged gracefully, embracing her natural looks and eschewing cosmetic procedures. This authenticity has only enhanced her allure, with her wrinkles and silver hair becoming part of her distinguished appearance. Smith's beauty is further amplified by her wit, intelligence, and the depth she brings to her roles. Whether portraying the sharp-tongued Dowager Countess in Downton Abbey or the stern Professor McGonagall in Harry Potter, her charisma shines through. Her ability to convey complex emotions with subtle facial expressions is a testament to her mastery of her craft. Smith's beauty is not just skin-deep, it radiates from her confidence, talent, and the gravitas she brings to every performance. Her enduring career and numerous accolades, including multiple Academy Awards, BAFTAs, and Emmys, speak to her lasting impact on the entertainment industry. Maggie Smith's beauty is a combination of her physical elegance, her immense talent, and the wisdom that comes from a life dedicated to her art. She continues to be admired by audiences of all ages, proving that true beauty is ageless and transcends generations.